Happy brain, learning about your thinking. Happy brain, learning about your feelings. Happy brain, learning how to drive your happy brain.
Happy brain is a very simple model based on 3 principles: the simplicity of physical reactions, the resilience of self-managing emotions, and clarity of making good decisions. Adults and children each have happy brains with different parts that help them to think, feel, and do. The most important parts of happy brains are the parts that make energy for their bodies to move. These parts are very old, simple, and called reptilian brains. Simple reptilian brain parts balance, calm, and rest energy, and movement energy. Messages are carried between the body and the brain using electricity and chemistry. This is the simplicity of the nervous system. Messages between body and brain are carried through 8 sensory channels: see, hear, smell, taste, touch, digestion, balance, and movement. Happy Brain teaches you how to influence these messages. The second most important parts of happy brains are their emotional minds that receive messages from body minds. Mammalian brains make memories and imaginations using a magic glue of feelings. Expressing these feelings helps us communicate. Emotional brains need to express lots of emotions every day. This brain part doesn't use words, it communicates through sounds, movements, play, creativity, and imagination. Happy Brain teaches you how to self-manage feelings. The third parts in our Happy Brains model are the thinking minds that use words to speak, think, and interpret. Thoughts are made from sounds and images. Interpretations help us to make up some sense of the sensory messages that come from the lower brain parts. People think lots of thoughts every day. Some thoughts are useful and some not so much. Thoughts help us to understand our experiences, share ideas, ask useful questions, and make good decisions. Happy brains teach clarity of the thinking mind. Perhaps you're interested in what we offer at Happy Brain. Happy Brain offers coaching for children and teenagers. We also offer workshops and training for people who work with children and teenagers. Here are 3 examples of our training offers. Happy Brain is an introduction to neuro-linguistic programming. Happy Brain is a specialist application of neuro-linguistic programming. And Happy Brain at Work for working well. For more information about the different products, services, and equipment that we offer, check out the Me Group, www.themegroup.com.
Happy brain, learning about your thinking. Happy brain, learning about your feelings. Happy brain, learning how to drive your happy brain.